Now we're gonna prepare chicken breasts. I love chicken breasts. I can do it every day, but I have a special one, and that is fantastic. You're gonna use some of your senses, touching it and mixing the ingredient. You're gonna use some chicken breasts, some mushrooms, and use the size you want, garlic, salt, basil, parsley, paprika, turmeric, ground pepper. You can use black or what you prefer, and you have in here spring onions and some fresh basil. You can choose to have it just to give the extra flavor, and olive oil. And for the chicken breasts, normally what happens when you cook it, it's gonna be like cook it outside and not inside. Then I'm gonna show you a trick. You're gonna put your hands on the top, just aim for the middle, be careful, don't cut yourself, and you're gonna cut it on the middle, and then you're gonna have perfect fillets that is easy to cook. Then I want to start to show you how to cook on the go, but you're gonna do this chicken breast directly on the pan, chop it, then you can do it a tiny bit more bigger, or does not need to be so thinner. Yeah, just break it on 2 and 3. Give them as it is. I'm gonna put the chicken breast inside, and we're gonna start putting all the marvelous ingredients on it. Start by the salt. Yeah, don't worry about just putting in the both sides because we're gonna mix it. I'm gonna put basil. Basil is a tiny bit like Brazil, yeah, but you have really that smell. This is parsley. Just be generous on that because it's gonna make all the difference. Paprika, turmeric, that is very nice for your health, and put that beautiful color on it. The pepper. I'm gonna put the fresh ones already. Then spring onions, you have to take these bits in there. You don't need it for nothing. Okay. And we're gonna start. If you have more these leaves, if it's not beautiful, don't use it. Just use the ones that scream, is looking nice. Cut the rest of it, and we're just gonna cut it on pieces like that. The marvelous already, like that. It gives like a freshness. Drop it inside, and it starts to boil. Don't worry, just put it in the minimal as possible because you have enjoy with it. And I'm gonna pick these. Gonna cut these bits, yeah, and I'm gonna put with, you see the position I'm doing, it's gonna be these parts up. You put on the side, yeah, beautiful. A fork, you're gonna turn this away, you're gonna mix it up, yeah, and like that, perfect, looking gorgeous, yeah. Touch the sides that is not covered, looking marvelous already. And you turn for the side that you didn't start, you can see that it start to cook. You're gonna put a pinch of salt, and on the mushrooms you're gonna do this, a sprinkle in the middle, in the middle, in the middle, in the middle. You're gonna cover it and let it like cook on the stem. It's gonna be perfect like that. Put in the medium. If you see it's going to, like trying to burn it or something, just put it a tiny bit in the middle. But that is one of my favorite recipes. You're gonna just love it. You're gonna see how it's gonna go in the end. Now I'm gonna just have a check on it. You're gonna turn it around. Look how beautiful it is. Marvelous and smell good. And just check on this and turn around too. Okay, and after you just keep on cooking it. I'm gonna put now everything on the low heat because I want it to be well cooked inside, and you just can't wait for it to be ready. Then the chicken is done. Look how marvelous it looks. Now let's put it in the plate.